Wealthsimple Invest Robo-advisor for investing honest review? Watch before using. Wealthsimple Invest is a fully automated robo-advisor designed for hands-off investors who want a simple, low-cost way to grow their money. It offers diversified portfolios built with ETFs, automatic rebalancing, and tax loss harvesting for eligible accounts. The platform is ideal for beginners and busy professionals who prefer a passive investing approach rather than picking individual stocks. With no account minimum, you can start investing with any amount, and fees range from 0.4% to 0.50%, making it competitive with other robo-advisors. Now let's talk about the pros. Wealthsimple Invest provides a seamless user experience with an intuitive app and web platform. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and the algorithm constructs a portfolio tailored to you. They offer 3 main portfolio types: conservative, balanced, and growth, each composed of low-fee ETFs that give you exposure to global markets. A major benefit is automatic rebalancing, which ensures your investments stay aligned with your goals without any effort on your part. Another standout feature is socially responsible investing, SRI, options for those who want portfolios focused on environmental and ethical companies. Additionally, high net worth investors with over $100,000 in assets get access to Wealthsimple Black, which offers lower fees, financial planning, and tax loss harvesting. However, there are a few downsides. The management fees, while reasonable, are slightly higher than some competitors like QuestWealth, which charges 0.25%. Also, while Wealthsimple Invest is great for passive investors, it lacks customization options, meaning you can't manually adjust portfolio allocations. Additionally, Wealthsimple doesn't offer tax loss harvesting for accounts below $100,000, which is a disadvantage for smaller investors looking to optimize tax efficiency. Lastly, its customer support is mostly online-based, and response times can be slow compared to traditional financial advisors. So, is Wealthsimple Invest worth it? If you're a beginner or a hands-off investor looking for an easy, automated way to grow your money, it's an excellent choice. The platform is simple, well-designed, and ideal for long-term investing with minimal effort. However, if you want more control over your investments or lower fees, you may want to explore other options. Overall, Wealthsimple Invest is a solid robo-advisor that delivers on its promise. Just make sure its features align with your investing style before committing.